Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video we're going to be making akara. I will show you how I made akara in two ways: the deep fried akara and the pan fried akara. That's the normal akara that we eat, enjoy with our pap or bread, and then the pancake akara or akara pancake, and it tasted or they tasted so yummy. Let's get started. So here I have my black eye beans. I'll be using black eye beans. I've already selected this. This is 2.5 cups of black eye beans. I'll soak it in water for about 5 minutes before we go to the next step. You can see that our beans has been soaking for past 10 minutes now. I'll go and rinse off this water, and then to peel the skin, I'll show you how I'm going to peel the skin. The skin can easily come out now, but I'm not going to do this with my hand. I don't have that strength. I'm going to use blender for this, but first I will rinse this water off. I've rinsed off the beans, so what I'll do next is to add it into my blender. Cover it with water, enough water. Then I will use the pulse to peel off the skin. Do it this light, maybe. You can see that the skins are off. One more time. I'm okay with this. Then we'll peel it. Then I'll pull off the skin. Whoa. The skin of the beans will just go out. You can see the skin. That's the skin of the beans. I'll pour more water into the beans. Now rinse off again. You can see the skins going off, just remaining few of it. So I'll keep doing so until I've removed all the skins. So we are done washing the beans. So we have our beans at least 99.5% cleaned. You might still see some black this, but that's like 0.5%. So it doesn't matter. But even if you did not wash it up to 90%, 80% is okay. So I'll also be adding in these onions and the pepper. So I have my onions and pepper here. So I'll be blending the beans, pepper, and onions with little amounts of water. So let's continue. I'm going to divide it into 2 parts. I'm not blending all at once. So I'll blend half. I'll do the same with onions and pepper. A little bit of water. The extra peppers and onion I added is optional. You can skip that, but you can still choose to add more if you want to. All to your preference. And I'm already heating up some oil here. So once the oil gets hot, we start frying our akara. I'll start with this method first. Keep watching. While waiting for the oil to get hot, I'll keep whisking the akara batter. You can add more pepper and onions as you wished. You can also add other seasonings. You can add egg to this. You can add seasoning cube, but I'm not adding anyone. I'm leaving it plain. I just want that akara taste for both methods. So the oil is hot now. Let's continue with that side. After scooping in the akara batter into the hot oil, but not very hot oil like that, I'm using low to medium heat. And then I'll start flipping it around. I'll continue to fry and flip them around until they are all golden brown on both sides. And at this stage, the akara is ready to be taken out from the oil. I'll still fry another batch with the same method before going to the next method. Now it is time to make the second one. This batter is too thick, so I'll be adding a tiny bit of water. I'll add it tiny water to loosen it up a bit so that it can be lighter for the so I can spread. You can see that this one is more runny, so we are going to pan fry this. We are not going to deep fry this like I did for this one here. So we're going to pan fry this. Let's get started. So I'll still take oil from this, the one I used in frying akara. I'm taking like half or a teaspoon, okay? Let's call it a teaspoon. Spread it on the pan. Then add in our butter. We let this fry for about 3 minutes on low heat before flipping it around or flipping it over, just the same way you fry your pancake. And after frying for about 3 minutes again, our akara is done. Oh, you can check it or flip it around again if you are not sure that it's well cooked. You can still fry it for about a minute again, but the akara is done. Don't be scared, it is done. I'll take it out and we'll continue that way. And always turn your batter before you add it. I'll continue in this method. And just like in your pancake, you'll notice all this dot there. You know that it is due to flip. Look at that beautiful color. And after about 2 to 4 minutes again, our beans pancake is cooked. I'll take it out from the frying pan and continue to fry the rest until we're done. And here we have our akara. Yeah, 2 ways of making akara. We have our main akara here and then we have our akara pancake, which you can also call beans pancake. And the beans pancake comes handy when you are craving akara but you don't have enough oil to fry akara, or you don't want much oil in your akara. Both methods came out lovely and tasted so delicious too. The deep fried was so fluffy and yummy, and the pan fried or pancake or akara pancake was also very delicious. It tasted almost like the akara. The only difference is that it has that texture of a all-purpose flour pancake. That is pancake made with all-purpose flour, but they are all lovely, delicious. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it to your friends and loved ones. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.